Okay, so now let's have another example. We will be using here binomial expansion and Pascal's triangle. Okay, so let's have an example. Let's say we have here 2x plus 3y raised to the power of 4. So basically, the fourth power of 2x plus 3y, using your Pascal's triangle, we are going to use the coefficients using a Pascal's triangle. This one, we are going to use this. We have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. We are going to use this, the coefficients, because based from our example right now, we are going to raise to the power of 4. So let us simplify. Okay, so now we have 1. Then we are going to use our first term. We have 2x raised to the power of 4. Then we have 3y raised to the power of 0. Plus, we have our coefficient, the second coefficient. So we have 4 times 2x raised to the power of 3, because your 4 here will be deducted by 1. Then our second term, we have 3y raised to the power of, what do you think? This is raised to 0. That will be raised to the power of 1. Plus, again, we are going to use 6. This is the third coefficient. So we have 6 times your first term, 2x raised to the power of 2. Then we have your second term, 3y raised to the power of 2. Plus, we are going to use now your 4. That would be the fourth coefficient. So we have 4 times 2x raised to the power of 1. Then we have 3y raised to the power of 3. Plus, the last one, we have 1 times your first term, which is 2x raised to the power of 0. Then we have 3y raised to the power of 4. Okay, so let us simplify. So we have 1. What is the fourth power of 2x? 2 raised to the power of 4 using your law of exponent. So this will become 16 x to the power of 4. Then what is 3y raised to 0? That is equal to 1. Plus, okay, so we have 4 times what is cube of 2x? That will become 8x cubed. Then what is the first power of 3y? That is 3y. Plus, here we have 6 times what is square of 2x? That would be 4x squared. Then we have what is square of 3y? That is equal to 9y squared. Now, we have this, what is 4 times 2x raised to the power of 1? That is, of course, you just have to copy 4 times 2x, then times what is cube of 3y. 3 cube is 27, then y cube is, this is the simplification of cube of 3y, 27y cube, plus, so we have here, we have 6. What's the next now? We have plus this one. We have 1 times what is 2x raised to 0? That is 1, of course. Then what is the fourth power of 3y? This is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4, that is 81. Then y to the power of 4. Now let us simplify further. So 1 times x to the power of 16x raised to the power of 4 times 1, that is 16x raised to the power of 4. Plus, what is 4 times 8? That is 32, right? It's 32 times 3. That would be equal to 96. 96 x cubed y. Plus, how about this? Let us simplify. 6 times 4 is 24 times 9. So the answer is 216. Copy your literal coefficients, the variables. We have x squared, then y squared, then plus this term. So 4 times 2, that is 8, times 27, that will result to, do you think, 8 times 27, that would be equal to 216 x, then y cubed. Then the next, we have 1 times 1, that's 1, times 81 y raised to the power of 4, that would be equal to 81 y raised to the power of 4. So this is now the result. Okay, thank you.